CSE Project Learning Group, S. Tamilarasi, second year, VA Institute of Technology. Welcome for CSE Project Learning Group. Today I will talk about in this video bitwise operator in operators. This is a bitwise operator table. First I am tell definition for the bitwise operator and what is bitwise operator. Bitwise operators work on bit and perform bit by bit operation. It is called as bitwise operators. This bitwise operator have 6 operators, that is AND, OR, XOR, NOT, left shift and right shift. Previous video already talked about AND and OR operators, but that is logical AND and logical OR operators, but this is bitwise AND operator and bitwise OR operator. The two different is more different logics, so it is for different two operators and OR. Next I am tell these all operators description. First I am tell AND operator. This AND operator symbol is and example for see this table. And next I am tell this description. AND description, operator copies a bit to the result if it exists in both operands. And next one is OR operator, and next this it copies a bit if it exists in either operand. Next one is XOR operator. It is copies that bit if it is set in one operand but not both. And next one is NOT operator. The description is it is unary and has the effect of flipping bits. And next one is left shift operator. That description is the left operand value is moved left by the number of bits specified by the right operand. Final one is right shift operator. That description is the left operand value is moved right by the number of bits specified by the right operand. You are not understand this sentence, but don't worry, I am explain the Python IDLE. So I am open Python IDLE interactive mode. First I am taken bitwise AND operator. First I am create for two values, that is A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 4. And next I am check for this condition, A and B, hit enter, it is show for 4, but how is it 4? I am explain for that. First you take binary values for 1 to 100 numbers. Okay, I am explain it. First 5 binary value is, I am type for 5 binary value. This is a 5 binary value 0 0 0 0 and next 0 1 0 1, that is 5 binary value. And next is 4 binary value, 4 binary value is 0 0 0 0 and next 0 1 0 0. This is for 5 and 4 binary values. And next I may explain that. AND means multiplication, so I am multiply this two values 5 and 4. First value is 0 5 0 and 4 0, so 0, and next value is 0 0 and next value is 0 0 and 0 and next one is 0 and 1 1 is 1 and next one is 0 and final one is 1 0. So 0 multiply any value by 0. So this is for 0 0. This is given for 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. This binary value for 4. So this condition satisfied for 4. And next one is OR operator. I am explaining this operator. So I am first create two values. A is 3 and next B is 4. And check for this condition A or B and hit enter. It is show for 7. How is show 7? I may explain that. So first type for 3 and 4 binary values. So hash 3 binary value is 0 0 0 0 space 0 0 1 1. This is 3 binary value. And next 4 binary value. This 4 binary value is 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 and hit enter. Next it is this OR operator mean add for two binary values. So plus these values add for these values. This 7 means first 4 values zeros 0 and next 0 and next one is 0 and 1. So 0 plus 1 means 1 and next 1 plus 0 and 1 plus 0 means 1 and next one is 1 0 and 0 plus 1 means 1. So check for this binary value. This binary value is 7 number binary value. This is for OR operator. Next one is XOR operator. These have 4 conditions, that is 0 and 0 is 0. Next 0 and 1 is 1 and next one is 1 and 0 is equal to 1 and final one condition is 1 and 1 is equal to 0. This for this 4 condition in XOR operator. And check this condition. First create two value, that is 6 and 7. B is equal to 7. I am check for this condition A XOR B and hit enter. It is show for 1. And how is 1? I am explain that briefly. First you're taking 6 and 7 binary values. So I am explain that this 6 binary value is 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0. This is for 6 binary value. And next one is 7 binary value. The 7 binary value is 0 0 0 0 next 0 1 1 1. This is for 7 binary value. And next check for this 4 condition, apply the 2 values. So I am added the values. So 1, this one is First 0 0 is a 0, and next 0 0 is a 0 0. The 4 value is 0, and this one is 0, and 1 1 is 0. Check for this condition. 1 1 is 0, and next 1 1 is 0, and next 0 1 is 1. So this binary value is a 1 number binary value. It's a 1 binary value. Check for these values. And next condition operator is, next one is a not operator. This is a 4 condition, that is 0 0 is 0, 1 0 is 0, and 0 1 is 1, and 1 1 is 1. Okay, I am check this condition. So I am create two value, a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 21. And next check this condition, a negation of a. This negation of a is minus 21. How is 21? I am explain that. This 20 binary values, I am type the 20 binary value. This 20 binary value is 0 0 0 1 and 0 1 0 0. This is a 20 binary value, and negation means opposite of the value, positive value. So check this opposite of 20 values, 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. This is a 21 binary value, minus 21 binary value. How to check this? I am explain that. How to check this means, first you taken for plus 21 binary value. The plus 21 binary value is, this is a plus 21 value, that is 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is a plus 21 binary value. Next one is negation of 21 value, that is opposite for the upper the value, that is 0 means 1 1 1 0, next 1 0 1. First type 21 and opposite of 21 value, and next this is a plus 1 finally added, and next this is a minus 20 value, that is 0. First one is 0 1, so 1, and next one is 0 1, so 1, and next one is 0 1, so 1, and next one is 1 0, so 0. This condition is above, this condition is satisfied for this calculation, and 0 1 is 1, and next one is 1 0, so 0, and next one is 0 1, so 1, and next one is 1 0, but plus add for finally, so that is 1. And check for this opposite of the 20 value, so minus 20, but this is minus 21 value. Why now this negation of a, this negation of a, this a is equal to 20, but the negation of a is a minus 21. And easy method 1, this is method 1, this is method 2, this is method negation of opposite value, and this is calculation, this is proof of this operator. And next operator is left shift operator. This left shift operator work is one value and how many times bit is moving. This is a left shift and left side. This is a left shift operator. That means a is equal to 4 now. Check this condition. A left shift 2 times, that is 2 shifts move the a value bit, that is for left shift operator. And I am check this, hit enter, it is a 16. And explain for this one slide. And next one is a right shift operator. This right shift operator move the value right side, so this is a right shift operator. That is a is equal to 4 now. Sorry, one space the value assigning, so a is equal to 4. And next a shifted right side 2 shifts and hit enter, it is 1. Given 1, I am explain that one slide. That slide is I am open this time. Okay, this is that slide. First assign values a is equal to 4. These 4 binary values, 4 is equal to 0 0 0 0 and 0 1 0 0. And first left and shift values 2. First I am taken left shift. This first you are assigned for your number 4 value binary values. This is a that 4 value binary value. And next your this take for this condition. First 2, this is a left shift, so left value 2 value is a shift is 2, so this 2 value is negligible. And next value 0 0 0 1 0 0, so assigning for this table, this 0 comes from this 0 and this 0 comes this table 0, and this 6 values are comes from this table, and end empty value is 0 0, ending box is 0 0 empty box. And next assigning this condition 2 of 0, 2 of 1, 2 power of 2, 2 power of 3, 2 power of 4 and till the 7, 2 power of 7. And these are all is 0, so not value for this 2 power of 7, 2 power of 6, 2 power of 5 and this 2 power of 3, 2 power of 2, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 0. Only satisfied for 1. So 1. So 2 power of 4 is 16. So this value is visible. And next is right shift. This right shift now. So this table right value is negligible, and when remaining values come for this table, but this 2 table is empty, so 0 0 and next 0 0, this 0 comes from this table and this all 6 values comes from this table. And set for this condition same as left shift 2 power of 0 till the 2 power of 7. And finally this check for this condition, all are 0, this one value is only 1, so 2 power of 0, 2 power of x power of 0, any value of 0 is a 1, so 2 power of 0 is a 1. This session is complete. Thank you.